Hello everyone, this is Iram Gul Ashit and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna be sharing you the review of my favorite BB cream and the best BB cream for me ever. And I will give you the full review of that product so that it would be helpful for you while purchasing. So इस वीडियो को एंड तक देखिएगा और इसे लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा. So शुरू करते हैं. So this one is the product and Kiko Milano BB cream. And let me tell you, this comes in a carton type of package. But I don't know कि मैंने उसे कहाँ फेंक दिया, मुझे बिल्कुल भी याद नहीं. I didn't remember about that. And here it is mentioned about that cream that like this is BB cream and this is having SPF 30. This is a tube form as you can see. And yeah, the most important thing, this is SPF 30, then that means you don't need to apply, you don't need to wear any sunscreen before this. And you know, mostly BB cream doesn't give any sunscreen. और अगर वो देता भी है तो only SPF 15 or 20, that's it. But this is having SPF 30, then you might having the idea about that कि SPF 30 कितना important होता है एक BB क्रीम में, क्योंकि आपको ये वैसे ही एक शील्ड प्रोवाइड करेगा. और अगर आप ज़्यादा बाहर आपको एक्सपोजर नहीं करना है सन में, तो फिर यू डोंट नीड टू अप्लाई द सनस्क्रीन मोर देन SPF 30. यू डोंट नीड टू अप्लाई द सनस्क्रीन मोर देन SPF 30. This is sufficient, more than sufficient. And the good thing about this product is it blends very easily. It is very convenient. It takes very less time to blend easily. Means obviously the less time required also. And yeah, give a very nice coverage like no other BB cream can give it to you. Trust me, I had tried many of the BB cream, but I have come to the conclusion now that this one is the best BB cream. And for me, the shade is porcelain. And I think this comes in only two shades. One is porcelain and another one is ivory. So I really didn't remember about that, about the shades, but I will give you the link of this product in the description box. You can go with that. And yeah, very less quantity required. You don't need to take that much. Means you don't need to think that it is overpriced. This is not overpriced product. Means this was of around 1100 and something. I think that was of 1100, and I think this is sufficient. It will go for 2 months. Means even if you're using this for regularly, on the regularly basis, then also it will go for 2 months. Yeah, it's been like, for me it's been I think 5 months. ये अभी भी पूरी तरीके से ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है. And there is a lot of inside it. ये तो हम देख नहीं सकते हैं, but I can feel it by the weightage of this product. तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा खासा क्वांटिटी इसमें रहता है. और सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आपको ये बहुत ही लेस क्वांटिटी इसमें ज़रूरत होती है आपको लगाने की. अदरवाइज इट विल लुक वेरी ऑड इफ़ यू विल टेक टू मच ऑन योर फेस. देन it will not blend easily also, and it will look too odd on your face, trust me. And with that less quantity, you will get the very nice coverage on your face. Means I think if you're going in the party also, then you can also wear this one. The best BB cream. Before this, I didn't like the BB or CC cream. But when I get my hands on it, then I can't stop using that. And also this is very hydrating, very much hydrating, and very nice moisturizing look it gives to your skin. Yeah, also not too much. Means after applying it, after few minutes, your skin started glow a lot. Means not that kind of glow, like not too slimy, not too sweaty. वो उस टाइप का नहीं दिखेगा. ये आपको बिल्कुल ही फ्रेश ग्लो देता है. मीन्स फॉर मी दिस इज़ द बेस्ट. मैं यूजुअली बहुत जल्दी में नहीं रहती हूँ, बट फिर भी बट still I don't want to apply the foundation and the compact on a daily basis. Or if I'm going something ऐसे ही कहीं जा रही हूँ, then I don't want to wear the foundation. I usually like to go with the BB creams. I started finding the best BB cream for me, what will be the best for me, so that it can be blend easily and it will look flawless on my skin. It could correct my little pigmented area, less time. Means I don't need to give too much time in getting ready or applying the foundation or BB cream, you know. So मेरी सर्च कंप्लीट होती है इस BB क्रीम को यूज़ करने के बाद. मुझे ये काफ़ी सेटिस्फैक्शन लगा इस चीज़ को, इस प्रोडक्ट को ख़रीद कर, और मुझे ये काफ़ी पसंद आया. मैं आपको इसे अभी लगा कर भी दिखाती हूँ. Seriously, if you're in hurry or not, in both of the cases you can go for it. Seriously, honestly, I'm giving you the honest review of this. Usually मैं honest review ही देती हूँ आपको. जो भी मैं प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करती हूँ, जो मुझे सूट करता है, मेरी स्किन को सूट करता है, जो मुझे पसंद आता है, मैं ऑब्वियसली उसी चीज़ का रिव्यू देती हूँ आपको, और ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू ही देती हूँ. और अभी भी मैंने ये बेबी क्रीम ही लगाया हुआ है, तो मैं अब आपको इसको फुल मेकअप के साथ भी आपको दिखाऊंगी कि ये कितना फ्लॉलेस लुक देता है. बिल्कुल किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा कि आपने फाउंडेशन यूज़ किया भी है या नहीं. Means nobody will find out that what thing you have applied on your face. Means your skin will look flawless, and at the same time you will feel the natural glow on your skin. Means it will not look too much. I will show you that how it looks on your face and how you should apply this on your face, and how you will blend, and how it blends easily on your face with the help of this sponge. You can see it is so much convenient. And the most important thing, you don't need to apply any moisturizer before this. And now the under eyes, if you want to correct some of the under eyes, then you can apply like this, and you can see my under eyes is also been corrected very well. And now I just need little makeup over this like this, and the look is ready. Please do comment whatever you want to say, and thank you so much.